Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for clicking on today's video. As you can see, I did take the damn interior out of my Mustang. Not the whole interior, just the back section, because it felt a little heavy these past few days. Especially because I had so many damn tools in the back, so I know that's what it was, but I just decided to take literally everything out. But let's see how long that lasts. But on today's video, we're actually picking up some taillights for my 1990 Acura Integra. Let's head over there and pick them up.
Klappat hakten alla Gullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Gullfest hela dagen. Små på stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är gullfest hela dagen. Alla Gullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Gullfest hela dagen. Små på stort, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det
Alright guys, so right here we got the new taillights. New to me taillights. There's the 1992 through 93 OEM Stanley taillights. As you can see right there. I always love these taillights, and I also like the other ones, the 1990 through 91, but I just really like these because of the amber. So let's get home. Here's the taillights, folks, that we just picked up. They're 92 through 93 taillights. OEM. This one has a little bit of a, I think, which one is it? This one, it's not a crack or anything like that. It's just like a stress mark. They're beautiful. I love these taillights. He did say that he was missing the bulbs. He took them out or something. So I'll just put my stock ones on there. Beautiful. We'll throw these on very soon. All right, folks, we're gonna clean these things. We got some ceramic detailer. Let me show you guys the before and after real quick. Well, the before actually. Quite dirty. I'm not going for perfect. I'm just gonna go for just cleaning up the dirt pretty much. I'm gonna be buffing these once they're on the car. Giving them a good buff. Because they're pretty scratched and dull looking. Let's go ahead and start. So here we got taillight number 1. Looks way cleaner already. Still a little dusty back there, but I mean that's just a rubber seal. But I'm actually gonna lay a little bit of wax all over the lens and see if we can get just a little bit of shine out of it. It's already kind of shiny, but as you can see, it's a little swirly. But let's try to put some wax on there once we are done with that one. Here we got tail light number 2. This is before the wax. We're gonna go ahead and throw a little layer of wax on right now. Get some real shine out of them. Let's go ahead and grab that real quick. So here's what I'm gonna use, the Cornuba Plus Gold Class by Meguiar's. And just a little towel real quick. Sure you can see. Just like that. Start off right here. That should do it. Let's go ahead and wipe that right off. There we go. It literally looks brand new in person. I wish you guys could see. For now, that'll do. It literally looks, it's smooth and feels brand new. I mean, looks brand new. I'm gonna give it one more wax and then I'm gonna take care of the other one, and that'll be it for these. This thing is shiny. Guys, we're back. We're gonna install the tail lights so you guys can see them on the floor there. Also, I picked up these old school styled OK Honda Motor Co. Stickers that go inside the window. Let's go ahead and throw those on first. If you guys know about the older Hondas, I'm not sure exactly what the hell these stickers mean, but I just really like the way they look. So we're gonna go ahead and let me grab something to clean that real quick. Right there. There we go. Let's go ahead and throw the other side on real quick too. You guys can see right there. I'm not sure if you guys know exactly what the hell that means. Let me know. I just like the way it looks. Go ahead and throw the other side on. Go. $5 on eBay, folks. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and start with the tail lights. But first, I'm gonna actually take the wing off because the double-sided tape on the center kind of peeled off a bit, so I'm gonna have to put more. But for now, I'm gonna just take the wing off. Let's go ahead and So now what we're gonna do is take out the tail lights. I believe it's just these little panels here, so let's go ahead and knock that out.
Nature ruled on you, son, not mine.
So as you guys can see, I did just take off the driver's side tail light. It was really difficult to take out actually, because these little it has six nuts per light. So I had to pop this plastic off, which I didn't want to do. Oh wells. What I'm gonna do now, as you can see there, two there, two there, and two there. What I'm gonna do now is clean the little area right there, so that when I put the tail light back on, it's clean, peace of mind. Let's go ahead and knock that out. All right, guys. So we're pretty much clean for the most part. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna be transferring the bulbs from this light to this light. Go ahead and take care of that now. All right guys, so I was a little skeptical at first, because I was like, are they even the same, you know, fitment or the same pigtail for the 92 through 93 and the 90 through 91? As you can see, they're literally identical from the back. Literally, like this is there, that is there, you know, it's the same thing. The only difference is literally just the amber on the side here. Let's see, side by side. I honestly really love the amber look, just because it looks more modern, a little more you know, a little newer. And I don't know, just the amber, just really, I really like it. And I also love these. Obviously I'm gonna be keeping these. I'm not gonna sell these just because they're the original ones to the car. But I don't know, I really like this color, a little amber on here. You guys can see that shine with the wax that we did earlier. Looks so damn good. Let's go ahead and slap this bad boy on.
Hey, look at that, it's gonna make it, huh?
All right, guys, so one thing that I did notice was that this bulb is blown. As you can see right there, the little thing sticking up, that means that this thing is blown. So I'm gonna have to go get some bulbs out from my other car, because I brought some from the junkyard the other day when I went. So let's go get those out. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and check this out. It's always good for whenever you hit the junkyard, so you might as well grab some bulbs, light bulbs and stuff. Look, this is the one we're gonna need. So I'll grab this one also, and then let's go ahead and put it back on. All right, let's go ahead and throw this bad boy back on. And this light should turn right on. This one right here. There we go. You can barely see it right now because it's daylight, but it's actually on right there. Watch. I'll even show you guys on this side. There we go. Go ahead and turn the turn signals on, and this one should turn right on. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and install the other tail light. Time lapse starts right now.
Klappat hakten alla Bullfest hela dagen Vetemjöl från livets grottekvarn.
Alright guys, so I literally cannot get this damn plastic thing out right here. Little plastic. It's like I think that's covering my last nut. So that's what's taking me so damn long. Jesus Christ, guys. I literally just broke a sweat taking that thing off. As you can see, you can actually see my nut there now. But I don't know what the hell this plastic thing is for. This is what it was, look. I don't know why they put that there. But yeah, look at this. And this one, I just realized this side had it too, but it wasn't on there. So let's actually throw it back on. There we go. Let's go ahead and take this last nut out. Stays like glued on. With the new, I'll put the bolt on it. Actually, let me go ahead and knock those out again. There we go, guys. We are all wrapped up here.
Thanks for noticing.
Wraps up today's video, guys. Thank you guys once again for clicking on the video. I appreciate your subscriptions, your likes and comments. Thank you guys very much. Shout out to everybody. I literally love all you guys. I can't believe we hit 500 subscribers. Oh shit, damn. That scared the crap out of me. I never thought I would even hit 10 subscribers, and we're at 550 already. Thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.